Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. So let's go ahead and start spinning it and point out some of the things. First thing you're going to notice is this paint job. It looks like it's still wet. This thing has been restored, and I'm going to say a word that we don't use, perfectly. You're going to find the numbers matching motors. You're going to have everything correct from the spiral shocks to starter carb. We have all the documentation to prove it as well. Like I said, the only things that we've upgraded, has been upgraded, is an upgraded battery, the BF Goodrich tires, and the old vinyl top that didn't look really good on this is gone. As it spins around, you're gonna notice the chrome is just, I'll use it again, perfect. You're not gonna find anything wrong with this. From the Hugger orange paint to the interior, it has the houndstooth. Looks good. The pipes look immaculate. Get over here, open up the door so you can take a look inside. Door jams, smooth as can be. Everything in there. So has a 4-speed, the L78, which we'll get to in a minute. I'll open up the hood and let you check it out. And we'll also get this thing running so you can hear it purr. This thing is just gorgeous. All right, let's take a look under the hood. As you can see, it has that L78 396 375 horsepower motor. It has the M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed transmission. The detail that was put into this is just remarkable. We also have the Protecto plate and the inspection sheet with the Protecto plate imprinted on there. You're not gonna find another car like this anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you, but before we get there, make sure you click subscribe on our YouTube channel, and then for all the hundreds of other pictures, other details, and the pricing of this, go to volocars.com.